From the heights of Mount Perazim, a fire ignites, a divine eruption illuminating the night. In the spirit I rise, feeling power within the body of Yeshua, where the truth begins. I am the light that breaks through the dark. With the heart of the Father I carry the spark. Like sun, like spirit, I've got His way. In this life I walk, I'm a brand new day. Every step that I take echoes heaven's call. With authority granted, I'll never fall. The greatest God-man, in me He resides. In the rhythm of grace, His love abides. Erupting in glory, my vision is clear. Surrounded by angels, I've nothing to fear. Divine visibility, surging through me. In unity with heaven, I'm finally free. In the glow of His light, forever I'll stand. The body of the Messiah, guided by His hand. Through every eruption, my spirit takes flight. I'm the presence of heaven, a beacon of light.